All right. Oh, first of all, how does it feel to be back in the Premier League?
Well, it's a good feeling, but we don't come here to stay here. We come here to, score goals and help the team and leave again because all of us want contract outside of Jamaica. Yeah.
How about you at this current moment? In a bad patch. When you left, he was in that situation though. What's your thoughts on that?
Well, it's a very rough one to think about it. Above you, I've never been in the relegation zone since I am alive. I've never been watching above you and above you in the relegation zone. So right now, it's very much loyalty to come back and play for above you because we have offers from different places. But honestly, I think we can help because I checked the point standing and everything. I think the calculation can work out. We just need to go on the training pitch and work again and come harder and score some goals. I think the problem is really goals. Honestly, it's really goals because most of the goals that above you scores, I think it's all penalties. Yeah. It's 2 goals which is not penalty. So I think we can, me and Trayvon and a little bit more addition, we can do a lot of damage.
Yeah, overall, the attacking lineup for above is training you, Trayvon, and Timar coming in.
Yeah, Timar.
So that's a lot of goals being added to the team now. So, as I said, just safety, take the team out of relegation and then come back next season again.
So his first thing is take the team out of relegation and then from that we can look to top 6 if we can make the top 6. But first thing, relegation. So we start from 1 point, then we go to the next point.
In regards to you, how are you feeling now? Coming back from injury and stuff, how are you feeling?
Well, after 3 months, since October, I haven't played any football when I was in El Salvador. So I think it's a good feeling right now to come and start a game because after 3 months, I've been playing no games. So yeah, I think we're not very much sharp as I want to be. But
out of 10, where would I put yourself for fitness is concerned?
Out of 10, I can put myself at 7. I'm not very much sharp, but differently from training, I do my own work. By myself, differently from being here at Harbour training. Yeah.
Looking pretty sharp to me still. But we know the standard. So what's your aspiration? I know that you said contract overseas, but what's your aspiration, as I said, for this season since you've been here?
We all have targets. So my aspiration right now is like, I put my target at 10 goals, take the team at a relegation spot. And then if we can make the top 6, I'm looking right there. But right now, it's scoring goals, getting assists and take the team out of relegation battle. But my target is actually 10 goals. If I can go more, I would love to, but 10 goals right now.
All right. Look up here.
Yeah, man, thanks. Blessings, man.